Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily delete your Gate account using the Gate application on your smartphone. So the first thing to do is to launch the Gate app open on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page of Gate, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Once you're inside this menu, tap on your name at the top of the screen and you'll come across this page where you need to tap on Security at the top, scroll all the way down and tap on Close Account. And yes, before continue to closing your account, make sure that you've cleared or used any remaining balance. If the wallet has money, credits, or subscription, use them first or check if refunds are available. Cancel any active subscriptions. And after you've made sure of all of that, you can go ahead and choose why you're trying to delete your account after clicking on the Close Account button. Now click on Confirm. After choosing a region, you need to go ahead and accept to the terms and condition, go through it and tap on Accept and Continue at the bottom. And then go ahead and tap on this circle where it says I agree and tap on Accept and Continue at the bottom again. Now click on the Close button in the pop-up to confirm that you want to delete your account. But only make sure to delete your account after everything is safe and backed up from your Gate account. So that's it. That's how you easily and permanently close your Gate account using your Gate application on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.